Alright, so here's gonna be your safety check. Nozzle steering. That's your off switch. Okay, hydraulic pumps. These are all in the off position. Come down. Landing gear lever is gonna be down. From there, come down. Flap lever is gonna be in the up position. Or if the flaps are down, then you make sure that it's in the same position as the flaps on the outside of the plane. Come around from there. Spoiler lever obviously is gonna be in the 0 position. From there, you come down. Make sure that your radar is off so that we're not cooking anybody with the radar. It's gonna be right here. From there, come down. Parking brake is gonna be up or pulled up. Come over, make sure your ADG handle is stowed. From there, we come up and we check and we turn on our battery master. Okay, what we're looking for there, a couple of things. We want to hear those chimes. Chime, chime, chime. Master warning, master caution come on. We get rid of them. Okay. Sometimes you gotta press it more than once. Come over, check your electrical. And you need at least 22 volts. 22 volts. From there, if it's our first flight, we are coming up to the fire detection. Go warn, right? This is what we get.
Jet pipe overheat. Jet pipe overheat. Jet pipe overheat. Jet pipe overheat.
Next we check, instead of going warn, we go to fail, and this is what we get. Master caution, right jet overheat, left jet, APU, right fire, left fire. You get another right caution. With both those tests, you want to make sure that all those indications go away. No lights are going and your messages aren't there anymore. The other thing we're going to do is we're going to check our squibs. So you can do all 3 at once. And with that, you can get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the squibs. Get rid of it. They're gone. Good test. From this point, if we had AC illuminated green, we could push that in, but we don't, so we're going to start the APU, right? Our generator is off. Power fuel goes in. What are we looking for? We're looking for indications. Door in-bite gauges. Digs, right? We've got all that. APU SOV open. Door open. Gauges. And then what we do is we hit the start button. This is a smaller generator, so once it gets to about 50%, that's when our start light is going to go away. And it did. Once the RPM was at 50, the start light went away. And our APU is beginning to spool up. Okay, 100. What we're looking for is waiting for that green light to come on. There it is. And we can turn the APU gen on. With that, our electrical is now powering. We got the good phase, good voltage, hertz, gen is illuminated, and we've gotten rid of that hockey stick on the right. Alright, power's raining down from the TRUs. Everything looks good there. Now that we've got that, go back to your stats page. We're going to turn our hydraulic 3As on. We're going to turn 3A on. If I can get it to focus. There it is. Come on, focus. 3A, whatever. You guys can see it. 3A, we check our hydraulics. You want to make sure the temp, pressure, color, it's all within limits. All right, 34 degrees, 60%, 2900 PSI. And the reason we turn that on is so they can go test the nose door, right? I don't have somebody with me right now, so I can't give you the indication. You'll get a message that says nose door, and it'll also go, it's either nose or it'll say nose door, orally. And that nose door open is going to be a warning message. It's going to be a warning message. Once they close the nose door, make sure that that message extinguishes. Also make sure nobody's standing there in the way. The other thing is when it's hot outside, you do not want to leave your hydraulics on for prolonged periods of time. That's usually, I mean, if it's hotter than 40 degrees Celsius. So once they're done with the nose, come back, turn it off. Then we come over, we check out our oxygen mask. So we turn on our mask, right? We go to intercom, turn the speaker on, obviously. Make sure this is pressed in, so that's out, that's pressed in. Volume up, volume up. Come over. Check all that. We got the cat eye, everything went back to normal. And look in there. You want to make sure the 100% is in. This is when it's out. That's pressed in. That's it for the safety check.